So legal drugs are going down among young people. Synthetics are going down. We also have very low numbers in cocaine and heroin. Those remain low. Low levels also of inhalants, which is a drug that is particularly problematic because the young people, the younger of the ones that we survey, which is the 8th graders, 12 to 13-year-old, they favor inhalants over other drugs because of their easy accessibility. But inhalants are very toxic, not just vis-a-vis their harmful effects on the brain, but they actually can produce death from asphyxiation. And we're seeing decreases, which is actually very good because there was a point where we had seen a couple of years with significant increases in the 8th graders, and that's going down.
One of the pieces of very good news in this year's Monitoring the Future is the reductions in tobacco use in all 3 grades across many of the measures for particularly cigarettes being used. So for the first time, when you combine the 8th, 10th, and 12th graders, we see under 10% of youth in America smoking cigarettes in the past year.
Tobacco smoking is going down among young people, and it has been an incredible success when it comes to a prevention effort targeted towards young people. Over a 10-year period, there's more than 50% reduction in tobacco smoking among adolescents, and that's really extraordinary.
On the other hand, we have a real concern about use of other tobacco products. Hookahs are surprisingly commonly used by teenagers in the United States. So just over 20% of 12th graders are reporting use of hookah as their route of tobacco use.
I think we have to be cautious of the fact that there are now kids are favoring other tobacco products. And there's also now, with the introduction of e-cigarette, reports of kids starting to abuse nicotine e-cigarettes. But tobacco cigarette smoking is going down and continue to go down.
Well, for this year, comparing 2012 to 13, we don't see a lot of changes in alcohol, but one of the good news stories in this study has been the gradual and continual improvements in almost all the alcohol measures over the last 15 to 20 years.